Guys, if you run a subscription business, affiliate marketing gets tricky fast. It's not just about tracking one sale and paying one commission. A customer can renew, upgrade, downgrade, cancel, or ask for a refund, and your partner program needs to follow all of that accurately. I am Daniel. Welcome to my channel where I make smart tutorials. Today we are looking at FirstPromoter, a partner program platform built for subscription businesses. It helps manage affiliates, influencers, and referral partners in one place, while connecting commissions to real billing events. For this demo, I'll use a test SaaS product called SynClub. We'll set up the account and connect Stripe. Next, we'll create a campaign and set recurring commissions. Then we'll add branding, install tracking scripts, test everything, and finish by checking the partner dashboard. Also, I've left all the useful links in the description down below, so don't forget to check them out. Let's get into it. Alright folks, let's start with registration. I click Start Free and create a trial account. FirstPromoter asks for a company email, and it's better to use a real business email here, not a free personal one. Then I add my name, product details, website URL, password, and confirm the email. For this demo, I am using the SynClub dashboard as the product website because we are setting up an affiliate program for a subscription-based SaaS product. That detail matters because this is exactly the kind of business where simple one-time affiliate tracking is usually not enough. Once we're logged in, FirstPromoter checks whether we use Stripe. For this kind of setup, I'd recommend connecting it, even if you're only testing, because it has test mode and sandbox keys. Mates, since FirstPromoter is built around billing events, this connection is one of the most important parts of the workflow. I click Yes, choose Connect with Stripe, sign in, install the app, and authorize the connection. Once Stripe is connected, FirstPromoter can track subscriptions, renewals, upgrades, downgrades, cancellations, and refunds. This is what makes it different from basic affiliate tools that only track one-time purchases. Next, friends, we choose the tracking method. The first option is coupon tracking, which is useful for quick influencer campaigns. For example, a creator can share a promo code, and you can track sales without installing extra scripts. But for SynClub, I want the full setup, so I choose coupon and link tracking. This gives us both referral links and promo codes, which is much more flexible. It does require adding a tracking script to the website, but for a SaaS platform, that's usually the better long-term option. It means partners can promote the product in different ways, whether they are sending traffic through a link, mentioning a coupon code in a video, or using both. Now we create the first campaign. FirstPromoter shows the setup flow at the top: campaign, branding, and integration. I check the campaign name, confirm the website URL, and review the tracking parameter that will be added to referral links. This parameter is what helps the platform connect a visitor back to the correct promoter. Then, folks, we move to rewards. I click Setup and create a new reward called 20% recurring commission. The amount is 20, and I leave flat amount turned off, because we are paying a percentage of subscription payments, not a fixed one-time fee. The most important setting here is commission length. I keep it set to until customer cancels. That means the partner keeps earning commission as long as the referred customer keeps paying. If the customer cancels, the commission stops. If they upgrade or downgrade, the commission adjusts based on real billing changes. And mates, this is exactly why subscription businesses need a tool like this. You don't want to calculate recurring commissions manually in spreadsheets, especially once you have more promoters and more customers. You want the system to follow the customer lifecycle automatically, so the commission logic stays accurate as revenue changes. I save the reward and move to branding. Here I upload the SynClub logo and choose the main brand color. This is what future promoters will see when they sign up and use their portal, so the experience feels connected to the product instead of looking like a random third-party page. Guys, let me take a little break to ask you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free, but helps me make even more fun tutorials for you. Thanks! Now we move to the technical integration. The first part, payment provider, is already complete because Stripe is connected. The second part is website tracking. FirstPromoter gives different integration options depending on how your product is built. For this demo, I choose JavaScript. The system generates account-specific instructions, including the main and the referral tracking script. The main tracking script goes inside the website's head tag and records referral clicks. The referral tracking script runs when a new user creates an account and sends the customer email to FirstPromoter. This is what connects the visitor, sign-up, customer, and billing activity together. That connection is really important for subscription products, folks. A click alone doesn't tell the full story. The platform needs to know who clicked, who signed up, who became a paying customer, and what happens to that subscription later. That's how FirstPromoter keeps attribution tied to actual revenue instead of just traffic. After copying the scripts into the project, we can test the setup. First, I run the click tracking test, and it passes. Then I open the referral tracking test in incognito mode, wait a few seconds, and run the check again. Once that passes, the platform confirms that tracking is working. Now, mates, FirstPromoter gives us the partner portal link. This is the page we can share with affiliates, influencers, or referral partners. They can sign up, access their dashboard, get referral links or coupons, and track their commissions. Let's go to the main dashboard. Here we can see generated revenue, total referrals, referral visitors, active paying customers, and promoters. There's also a performance chart, so you can monitor how the program grows over time. In campaigns, we can manage the campaign we just created. In promoters, we can see accepted, pending, and other promoter groups. This is where the partner side of the program is managed. So you can approve new partners, check who is active, and understand who is actually bringing traffic or customers. Now, guys, let's open emails, because communication is important if you want partners to stay active. FirstPromoter includes trigger emails, such as a welcome email after approval, follow-up emails after a few days, reward notifications, and payout confirmations. That means partners can automatically get updates when they are approved, when they earn a commission, and when a payout is completed. And that kind of feedback matters, because promoters want to know their work is producing results. If they bring a customer and immediately see that a commission was generated, it gives them a reason to keep promoting. Next, we have payouts. Mates, in the payout settings, we can define terms like monthly net 30, which means commissions are paid on the 30th day of the following month. We can also set a minimum payout balance, like $50, to avoid small micropayments. FirstPromoter supports payout methods like PayPal, Wise, bank transfer, and crypto. So instead of managing partner payments in spreadsheets, you can handle payouts from one place. For a new program, this may not seem like a big deal yet, but once you have more partners, payout automation becomes one of the most important parts of keeping the program manageable. Friends, there's also an experimental AI assistant inside the platform. It can help answer routine questions and support program management, which could be useful as the partner program grows. We went through the full setup, from account creation and Stripe to campaign, rewards, and branding. After installing scripts and testing, we reviewed everything, like dashboards, emails or promoters, and even payouts. So guys, FirstPromoter is not just a basic affiliate tool. It's partner infrastructure built for subscription businesses. The biggest value is that commissions are tied to real billing events. If a customer renews, upgrades or downgrades, cancels or gets refunded, FirstPromoter can keep the commission logic aligned with what actually happened. That makes it useful for SaaS companies and recurring revenue businesses that want to grow through affiliates, influencers, or referrals without losing control of attribution and payouts. If you're building a partner program for a subscription product, FirstPromoter is definitely worth testing. If you're excited to try it out, or if you already used it and have some thoughts to share, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching. Until next time.